Hey everyone, in this video we're going to go over some beat down recent IPO stocks. Now, before you say, Lance, you're crazy and curse me out, I want you to hear me out and think about this dilemma. If you're a lagging hedge fund going in to year end, where are you going to put your money? Hoping that the S&P trades higher to get what? Maybe 2, 3, 4% return? Or on a beat down recent IPO stock that can potentially go up exponentially higher? And not only the stock go up higher, use leverage in the options market to maximize your returns to make up for maybe those losses or lagging performance in that hedge fund. So we're going to look at a few names. We'll look at Chuy. I know, the pet name. Who doesn't love pets? Peloton. And we'll look at Lumpkin Coffee, maybe even a couple more. But Chuy caught my eye the other day. And this is why I want to focus on Chuy here. Stock's up about 4.33% today. I get it. The stock was at 41.34, trade down to 21.68. I'm looking at the daily chart here. But I really want to drill down in this because I want to show you guys and girls something really, really remarkable here. Here in Chuy, okay, and remember, a big hedge fund did take a stake in Chuy just a couple months ago. Look at this here. So we're going to zoom in on volume because I know, Lance, the S&P trades no volume. Markets aren't moving. Well, these beat down individual stocks with a high short interest mean they can squeeze and trade higher in a short amount of time. Look at this here in Chuy. Yesterday, right before the market closed, about an hour before the closing bell, the stock trades down to 21.68 all the way up to about 22.25 here. But look at the volume pickup. Okay, look at the volume pickup. Very low, very low. Afternoon volume picks up. That hedge fund that took that big stake, I'm assuming, and I've seen this before, that they're buying call options. And I'm not talking, Aunt Sally or Uncle Joe buying 10 or 20 or 50 contracts. These guys and girls are buying 5,000 plus December 22 calls at 175 with the stock at 21.95. They even bought January 24 calls. They even bought next week calls. So they're buying these options. Those December and January calls capture earnings as well, which those earnings are implying about a $3.80 move up or down on earnings. Now those calls that they bought yesterday, the stock is up now 4+%. Those calls are printing around 260 from 175 already. So that was a mover. Now, hear me out. Lumpkin Coffee, another recent IPO name. This stock went from 18 to 30 in a matter of days. From really August all the way to October, did nothing. It did nothing. Again, that year-end rally, they have to make return. If you're a hedge fund manager, how else are you going to get your bonus? You know they love money. And then Peloton. Okay, I know, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 bicycle indoors. Okay, make the case as much as you want. Everyone's shorting the stock. So what's that doing? Driving the share of the stock higher here. The stock went from 22 to 32. 22 to 32 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trading days. Now, I can't argue that the stock may be overvalued and the bikes are expensive, but you have to think about this. Performance. It's about dollars and cents making money, and they're using the options market to maximize returns. And think about this. I'll make a bull case. If you're snowed in for the holidays or going into the new year, you can't go to the gym. What does everybody do after New Year's? They go on a diet, they join a gym. They say, I'm going to lose weight, I'm going to get healthy. Well, if you're snowed in and you can't leave the house, what are you going to do? Buy a Peloton. Do your workout at home. Lose weight. So you could see not only a year-end rally, you could see that first month of January as well with the market moving, with Peloton moving higher. Listen, guys and girls, whatever you think, you have to put your opinion, your bias to the side, okay? And you can't deny that there is a chase for return in these beat down IPO stocks. I'm starting to see buying, and you can't deny Lumpkin Coffee, Peloton, the recent move. I personally think Chuy is next. Who doesn't love pets? I'll always make that argument. And Chuy there. So let me know some IPOs or some recent names that you're looking at that could rally into the year end. Because to be honest with you, not only do these names move, but they trade and they trend well, and they're very fun, especially when you're swing trading and trading in the options market.